Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our Learning English channel. If you're new here, I'm here to help you master the English language. Today, I'm super excited because we're diving into a topic that a lot of you have been asking about: how to crack English. Whether you're preparing for an exam, trying to improve your communication skills, or just want to become more fluent, these 5 methods will set you on the right path. So, let's jump right in. 1. Immerse yourself in English. Our first tip is to immerse yourself in English. This means surrounding yourself with the language as much as possible. Now, you might be wondering, how do I do that? It's actually easier than you think. One great way is by watching English movies and TV shows. Choose genres you love, whether it's action, drama, or comedy. Watching content in English helps you get used to the natural flow of the language and different accents. Plus, it's entertaining. Listening to English songs and podcasts is another fantastic method. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, having English audio playing in the background can significantly improve your listening skills. Try to focus on the lyrics and pronunciation. And here's a pro tip: think in English. It sounds challenging, but try to narrate your day in your head in English. Describe what you're doing, what you see, and what you're planning to do next. This helps you start forming sentences naturally. Remember, immersion is key. The more you surround yourself with English, the quicker you'll pick it up. 2. Practice speaking daily. Tip number 2 is to practice speaking daily. This one is crucial. You need to get comfortable speaking English, and the best way to do that is by practicing every day. Use language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. These apps connect you with native speakers who are also learning your language. It's a win-win. You get to practice English, and they get to practice your native language. If you prefer face-to-face interaction, join a language exchange group or a speaking club. These groups are often organized by local communities or online platforms like Meetup. Practicing with others makes the learning process more interactive and fun. And don't forget, you can practice speaking to yourself too. It might feel a bit weird at first, but it's actually really effective. Stand in front of a mirror and have a conversation with yourself. Describe your day, your plans, or just talk about random topics. This helps build your confidence. The more you speak, the better you'll get. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're just stepping stones to improvement. 3. Expand your vocabulary. Our third tip is to expand your vocabulary. Having a rich vocabulary allows you to express yourself more clearly and effectively. One effective way to do this is by using flashcards. Apps like Anki or Quizlet are great for this. They use spaced repetition, which helps you remember new words more efficiently. Make it a habit to learn a few new words every day. Reading is another excellent method. Whether it's books, articles, or blogs, reading exposes you to new words and phrases. Whenever you come across a word you don't know, look it up and write it down. And don't just stop at learning new words, use them. Try to incorporate them into your daily conversations or writing. This will help you remember them better and understand how they're used in context. Building a strong vocabulary is like adding tools to your toolbox. The more words you know, the more precisely you can communicate. 4. Engage in writing exercises. Tip number 4 is to engage in writing exercises. Writing helps reinforce your learning and improves your grammar and sentence structure. Start by writing daily journal entries or essays. Write about your day, your thoughts, or any topic that interests you. The key is to write regularly. Use grammar check tools like Grammarly to help you catch mistakes and learn from them. Pay attention to common mistakes and learn how to correct them. For example, many people struggle with the correct use of tenses or prepositions. By practicing writing, you can improve these areas significantly. Another great exercise is to write social media posts in English. It's a fun and informal way to practice, and you can get feedback from your friends. Writing not only improves your grammar and vocabulary but also helps you organize your thoughts better. 5. Take an English course. Our final tip is to take an English course. Whether online or in person, a structured course can provide you with a comprehensive learning experience. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or edX offer a wide range of English courses for different levels. These courses often include video lectures, quizzes, and assignments that help reinforce your learning. In-person classes can also be very effective. Look for language schools or community colleges that offer English courses. The advantage of in-person classes is that you get immediate feedback from your teachers and can practice speaking with classmates. No matter which option you choose, the structured approach of a course can help you progress faster. You'll have access to experienced teachers, well-organized materials, and a clear path to follow. Investing in a course can make a big difference in your learning journey. It provides you with the guidance and resources you need to succeed. Improving your English skills takes time and dedication, but with these 5 methods, you'll be well on your way to mastering the language. To recap, immerse yourself in English, practice speaking daily, expand your vocabulary, engage in writing exercises, and consider taking an English course. Remember, consistency is key. Make these practices a part of your daily routine, and you'll see significant improvements over time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on learning English. Share this video with your friends who are also learning English, and let us know in the comments which tip you found most helpful. Happy learning! Follow me for more updates and learning resources. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.